Okay, team. So today we will see how the push update works in EKK. So a doctor or a staff who are capable enough to add patient medical history or symptoms or diagnosis of the patients, they need to use this push update feature. So it will be mostly by a junior doctor, or it can be an assistant doctor as well of the main doctor. So let us assume that a junior doctor uses phone. They can use any computer also, or even an iPad or a normal tab as well. So let us see how it works in from the phone and to the computer. So in the phone, suppose let us assume they are using eCardOc application. So this is how it will open up. Okay. So here they need to log in into their mobile number. Okay. So I am just logging in. Yes. Just a second. Okay. Yeah. So now, yes. So here, guys. Okay. So this is the screen. So a junior doctor, what they can do is they can also add a patient. So they can just simply go in my appointments, or they can just click on plus icon and let me just add a patient. I'm just adding a patient very quickly. So let us assume the patient name is Ganesh. Okay, I will select that and the details will pop up. I'll click on add patient. And here, what they can do is that they can click on start visit because they have to add some certain details about the patient, like the symptoms and the diagnosis. So they can click on start visit. So here, if they measure the vitals also, so they can add it. So that is 130 slash, okay, 80, okay, 80. I'm putting it. Pulse rate as 78, body weight as 78 again, temperature as 98, and something FBS value as 210. Okay, once this has been done, I can click on done. So now coming to medical history, so I'm asking as a junior doctor, they will ask the patient medical history. So I can also type it like the patient is a diabetic. You can select it from past 3 years. Okay, done and save. Save done. Okay, again save it. So any symptoms and diagnosis the patient is feeling. Okay, so I will just enter like patient is feeling tiredness. Okay, any something much more. So even loss of appetite, but there is a weight gain as well. Okay, so I can select weight gain. Yeah. So these three things been added. I'll just if I want to add something much more in the diagnosis part, I can also add it like diabetes as well. Okay, I'll select this too and save it. Something much more if I want to add like lab results also I want to add, I can click on lab results. I can search like HbA1c, something, yeah, and I will enter the value. So the value is 7.1, okay, which is at the higher side, okay, and I can just click on save. Something much more I want to add, just do it. So once all the details, what a junior doctor or a staff, if capable enough, so once they add all the details, they need to click on push updates. So the push update button, you can see it on bottom in the middle. Okay. So once they click on push update, so this updates has been saved. So now if the doctor is using another computer in their chamber, okay. So now what they have to do is that, let me just show you. So what all till now, what we have seen, let us see that. Okay. Just a second. I'm stop sharing here. So I'm sharing my computer screen. Here. So you can see guys, automatically the Ganesh names pops up. Now a doctor needs to just simply click on resume visit. Once a doctor clicks on resume visit, all the details will pop up. You can see all the blood pressure, what has been entered from the mobile has come up on the computer screen. Okay. So even the HbA1c values, the symptoms, what we entered, the diagnosis. If now a doctor can, based upon the visual or the once the prescription he sees it by clicking on preview also, he can also see what all it's been entered. So once he see, and doctor can start writing about the medications or even the examination findings and much more. So this is how the push update works. Parallelly is the here also, if there are two multiple doctors, they can also use this push update here. You can see there is an option over here. They can also click on this button and it will automatically push updates as well. So doctor can use multiple times push updates as well, and till the main doctor sees the prescription. And once the main doctors confirm, they can just click on finish prescription. So this was regarding the push update, uh, guys. Thank you. Thank you for your time.